demonic side of stuff. What I've seen, and I'm just telling you what I've seen. I saw this individual that was one of these chosen ones. Transgenics was involved. When they shifted personality and a presence came up, I'm telling the truth before God. I'm telling the truth before God. Literally, there's even a physical morphing. Of the structure of their face. And their eyes were no longer, the pupils were no longer circular. They were the same as like a cat, like a snake, like a cat, like a snake, like a cat, like a snake, like a snake. They were oblong, pointed, in the whole. It just looked like there was a physical morphing that came with this inner manifestation of not only demon possession, but the charged blood genetic side of it, and it was horrific to see. Presence in the air, a supernaturalism, and literally a antichrist sense or feeling or critical mass will come with it.
Monstrous consequences are getting ready to happen. Something big is coming.
We didn't know how bad society, Hollywood, the arts, music, everything has been just simply cooked. There's no question for us to